Hi there, today we're going to learn about how to add input field value in Wix. So here I am in my Wix website. In order to go here from your dashboard, just click on design site and then you will be redirected to your website. So currently I am in my about page and I will want to insert an input field right here. And in order to do that, we will click on add elements and then we will go to contact and forms. And then we will create a new form. And then this dashboard window will pop up and then we can now input our different input fields right here. For example, I want the first name and last name. So now I have two input fields. You can also choose from some different input fields right here. You have the contacts input fields, you have the general, you have the choices, you have the dates, and you have the service inquiry, you have the payments, buttons, and layout elements. So for example, I already have the input field for the first name and last name. I can also input like a short answer right here. So for example, I will want to ask the customer for some feedback and then they can insert their specific feedback right here. We can also make this into like a required field before submitting. So I will make the first name a required field and then the last name a required field, and then the feedback is optional so that the customers will know that whenever they are using these input fields right here, they need to insert information right here on the first name and last name input fields. You can also put a placeholder text. For example, right here, enter your first name. There will be a indicator right here so that the user will know what to do. And then for the placeholder text of the last name, you can also have this one. And then for the feedback, you can also have a placeholder text right here. So for example, I will change this and then it will automatically reflect in our input field. So once you're done editing your input field in forms, you can now click on save. So let's just wait for it to load. So click on save again, click on exit, and then now we have our edited input fields right here, so that when we preview our website, we can now insert some information right here. Just like that. And if you want to change the design, I think you can do so as well. You can go to edit form, double check if you want to change some other things right here. Go to preview, go to settings. So if you want to change some other things right here, and then you can also see here the submissions. So in order to edit the specific form, let's just go back, click on settings, and then we can change our layout right here. For example, the size padding, the top and bottom padding, the spacing between rows, for example, like that, spacing between columns. And then for the design, you can change the form background and so on and so forth. And that is it for this video. I hope you learned how to insert an input field into Wix website. And thank you for watching.